Back at it again, baby. Let's do it. We don't need very many more kills. I think it's like one more per... One or two more. There we go. 6 spawn. I should be able to like liquidate literally anybody that comes up here right now. How did he pre-fire me? He was in a fucking jacket. How the fuck? It says I didn't get a shot off. My gun literally fired. I would have fucking ripped that guy in two. I should have just waited him out. I was being impatient. 3 more kills. Melt for me, baby.
А, вижу их! Сука, ёбнули нашего!
That's 2. These motherfuckers are fucking up my goddamn bodies. Woo, dude, that could have been bad.
Нет никого! Страшно тебе, сука!
Fuck that bitch, go. Hate the audio of this fucking game. I'll tell you what. I forgot to grab a grenade. Please, I have one. I'd like to go to the other side there. There we go. Oh, damn. Oh, my God. Mans was trying to get grenadier done. Laid this master out. Sorry. Oh, he killed somebody too. Worth, bro. How much did you take down to HP? What? Hold on. Let me get the room really fast before I... How much HP did you get me down to? I didn't look at the exact HP, but... Which guy were you? Were you this corner or were you that corner? Because one of y'all didn't do anything. And if you were the guy that came from the gate 3 side, you fucked me up pretty good. Not crazy good, as you can see. You hit me in the legs and stuff. My armor is taken 1 point. Is that you? Second guy? Dude, here's the problem. You see that ammo type right there? That's the issue. Oh yeah, you purposely shot me in the legs, I see. Thanks, man. GG's. No more kills me. This shit. Uno más. Uno más, uno más, uno más. We were looking like for a gunsmith. If I could find it. Or, oh, gunsmith, Punisher. 2 more. Oh, alright. Not looking too bad. Let's leave this for the scabs. I think I will.
Все, зажмурился.
We're out of here. The last guys that were ratting. So we're not gonna deal with it. Give it to me, bones. Either that or they ran straight through. And we're not dealing with it. We're not gonna find out. 2 more kills. We can do that. No time flat. That's easy. Again, push to the office. As fast as possible. Where am I?
I don't want to die.
Well, you did. Just because I was lost. Normally you'd have been just fine, but... Where the fuck is everybody? Only person that's made a noise this whole raid is me. The fuck is that? Hey? The fuck was that? Oh, it's one of these big ass chunks, big ass particles flew in front of my face. Come on, bro. I need you guys to just come up to the party room. Let's get busy. Let's have fun. Jam. Pump it up. Just need 1 more kill, bro. Fuck. With 1 more kill, I gotta reset. Oh, nope. We still got people. Alright. What the fuck? Oh, was that Tequila? Yep. That makes sense. I was like, damn, I'm being shot at pretty aggressively. It was the boss man himself. That's why. What is up, world of Tarkov? Thanks so much for watching the video. If you could do me a huge favor, hit that like button. And if you're really feeling it, if you're liking my videos, I'd really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. That will make you an absolute god amongst men. And thank you, regardless, just for watching the video. Thank you so much. I'll be posting these videos pretty regularly, so stay tuned if you want to watch another.